Hello friends. Whenever you wash Instant Pot liner, if you forget to put it back, you accidentally pour water directly into Instant Pot, will cause short circuit. As water reaches heating element and circuit board, ruins Instant Pot as well. Not just water, it could be any liquid like milk, oil, sauce, broth, batter, etc. So here I am to share workarounds to rescue your Instant Pot in such cases. If you wonder how I saved my Instant Pot, here you go. The bowl inside did the magic. As you see, my Instant Pot is totally safe. Let's see more tips how to remind yourself. Visual hints are more eye-catching, so you can keep anything to notice easily, like a big plate on top. It's my most preferred choice. Or a towel will be a good idea. Or a label about liner if you notice easily. Or you can make it waterproof with a shower cap. You can keep a wide bowl. This size fits perfectly. Our bowl inside Instant Pot still catches water very well. Or you can set reminder in mobile. You can keep kitchen napkins, but heating element still gets wet. There is a risk. An Instant Pot won't be ready to use immediately. Moreover, if you plug on, it's going to catch fire. Not at all safe. Similarly, don't use polythene as well. Water can still go inside. Also, if you forget and put liner on top, it will burn and stick to heating element badly. Let's see the workarounds. Imagine if you poured water directly into Instant Pot. First thing, don't panic. There is always a way. Unplug the cable immediately. Drain the water by keeping it upside down. Detach the cable and keep it aside. Wipe off heating element with sponge or cloth to absorb excess water. Use a hand dryer to dry all the spots. Next, keep it upside down and open the base if water went inside the circuit board. If you notice, the screw will be tight enough initially. So here is my tip. Loosen the screw a little in your free time. Also keep the tool handy. Gets easy in emergency. We never know when do accidents happen. Sooner you open, the better it is. After unscrewing, twist counterclockwise a bit. The bottom plate comes off easily. Then use a hand dryer to dry. If you see any water, let it dry until water is all gone. If not, assemble back the plate by aligning the screw hole. Twist a little clockwise and fix the screw back. For safe side, sun-dry Instant Pot for 12 hours. Leave little space to let air circulate inside. Or shade dry 72 hours before using again. If you are doubtful, leave the base also open to dry. Once drying is all done, first check if Instant Pot is functioning normal with sort and pressure cook modes. Attach the cable back and plug it on. Put the liner, pour 1 cup water, sort for 2 minutes. If you see water boiling, it's good with sort mode. Next, let's test for pressure cook mode. Steam from hot water tricks you with pressure, so discard this hot water. Try with normal water. Close the lid to sealing. Use pressure cook high for 2 minutes. If float wall comes up, pressure mode is also perfect. Your Instant Pot is good to use again. If not, check with customer care. Hope you like my ideas and workarounds. See you again with many more awesome tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.